Hey, Drew James here from LearnGuitarInLondon.com, and I'm playing Sailor Song by Gigi Perez. And this song is basically 3 chords. In fact, yeah, just the 3, that's all it is. So great little sing-along piece. Where we're going to spend a lot of the work today and just kind of looking at a bit more detail and taking it in stages, because it's a little bit more challenging, is in that rhythm. So we're going to be looking at what that rhythm is. I'm going to have some arrows on screen for you to help follow that beat. You're going to need to get your capo, stick it on fret 4. Let's get started. So once you've got your capo on fret 4, basically this would be fret 1, fret 2, fret 3, etc. So we've got 3 chords. Really nice and simple. The first one is a C major 7. Now if you know a C chord already, you're doing great, because all you've got to do is just lift up your index finger of the C chord. So you're holding down fret 2 on the D string and fret 3 on the A string. And for that chord, you strum the bottom 5. Nice and relaxed, chilled out chord. The next chord is a move to an E minor. Pretty easy change from here. Just move your middle finger up to fret 2 on the A string, and then also hold down fret 2 on the D string and strum all 6. And the other final chord that you need in the song is a G. So for this, you can take your index finger, put it on fret 2 on the A string, middle finger on fret 3 on the thickest string, and ring finger on fret 3 on the thinnest string, and strum all 6 strings. Okay, so when I did the beginner version in the short of the video, I was doing this. I was going down, 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 down to E minor. Now if you're learning to sing this is what I recommend you start with, rather than doing that full rhythm. Because if you do all the rhythm on this hand, there's going to be a lot of concentration and it's going to make the singing go completely mental, okay? So what I suggest is starting off with down strums to learn the singing with it. So So that order of chords is C major 7 3 times, 1, 2, 3, then E minor 3 times, all with down strums, then a G 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, that repeats, C major 7, 3, E minor, 2, 3, G, 2, 3, G, 2, 3. Okay, really easy, right? Nice and simple. So I do suggest you do that first with the singing. If you can sing over that and it's going well, then try the full rhythm. So the full rhythm, I'll keep just with the C major 7 chord. We'll have some arrows on screen to help you out with strumming it, okay? So I'll do it really nice and slowly. It's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. In a circle. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Okay? Now, once you can do that and you've got that sounding okay, just notice where I'm doing louder downs, okay? These are called accents, and underneath the arrows, you generally have like a little sort of like a V on its side, and that's telling you to hit that a bit louder, and that just helps keep your time and your rhythm with such a quick rhythm pattern, okay? So listen, I'm going down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Accent. 1, 2, 3. As you get it, bring the speed up slowly but surely as you go, okay? So pop those accents in, it really helps with feeling that rhythm. And now we can just see how many of each chord that we do for the rhythm. So the intro of the song is C major 7 twice, E minor twice. So that would be C major 7. Then that repeats, okay, that goes round again. And When the singing starts, it's C major 7 once, E minor once, this way, G twice, and G way, then C again, E minor, and G, that then repeats. So it's back to C once, E minor once, G twice, C once, E minor once, G twice, okay? And then the chorus is C major 7, like this once, so it's C major 7 once, E minor once, and then G twice. So it's the same chord progression throughout the whole song, okay? One last recap on that. C once, E minor, G twice. Don't forget the accents. So I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. It's a really good sing-along song. See you again soon for some more.